What we've got here is an example of our emergency siphon drinking water filter. As you can see, the filter is submerged underwater, and we have a 5-gallon bucket here of non-potable water. When you initially use your filter, it does not submerge on its own. You want to make sure that you allow it to soak in the water until the inside of the filter becomes completely filled with water, and then the filter will submerge itself. Once you have the filter submerged, you'll find the end of your tubing here and simply apply a suction with your mouth until you get a good water flow, which is just a dribble. And we've already done that here and used this valve to cut the water flow off, so I'm going to restore the water flow. And once again, this is an emergency water filter, so it's not intended to produce tons of flow. However, in an emergency, as you can see, we've got a good little dribble of water here. It's about 2 gallons in an hour, 2 to 3 gallons depending on how dirty your water is. And this water produced by the filter is free of bacteria or pathogens, and the carbon core inside the filter also makes sure that it is free of taste and odor, so it will be palatable. And once you get the flow going, the siphon flow, you can simply allow it to sit. You could use a larger container than this glass jar that we're using. You could use a 2 or 3 gallon container, and in this way you can produce potable drinking water from nearly any water source, and it works exceptionally well with an emergency water storage tank or even a captured rainwater that you've captured from a roof.